Hello everyone. Now I'm arrived in Rudesheim. Rudesheim am Rhein is a German winemaking town in the Rhine Gorge. It is part of the UNESCO World Heritage Site in this region. The bench on the Rhine River, perfectly decorated. By following the maple trees, we will see the town of the Rudesheim. The weather is very nice, the wind breeze and the sun is shining. The sports center also you can find here by the Rhine. Beautiful parks I can find with the all flowers blooming all along the way to the town. Rudesheim Rhine station is on the East Rhine Railway and is served by trains running at least hourly during the day to Frankfurt and Koblenz. What a beautiful street light here. To reach the Rudesheim, the best way if you take the river cruises from Amsterdam to Basel or from Basel to Amsterdam. The old building always the best view in Rudesheim. The city is nice. Not too crowded, but you can find anything also here. Try for the local wine. Tourists is everywhere. Everybody come to Rudesheim to taste the local wine, especially on the summertime. Well, I recommend you to come to Rudesheim when you are in Rhine. We'll see you when I see you. Cheers!